Hi. Today I'm making smudge sticks and it's so easy. I thought I'd bring you along with me. I'm using some of my lavender and sage and some mums for pretties from the garden. Super simple and so pretty. I have a little collection going already. So here's how we do it. Collect up our strands of lavender. Usually these are made just with sage and they're said to bring good energy or cleansing energy to spaces, places, people, things. We're going to make ours with a mix of lavender and sage because the frost is coming and I just want to use up my stuff. Plus, I really just like them for pretties more than for the smudging. So I'm just going to layer them in. You want them fat and you need to use fresh herbs. You don't want to dry them. They'll be too crunchy and crispy. Everything will fall apart. So you put it together when they're fresh. I'm going to add in some pineapple sage, which is more for stuff like this than it is for eating. Smells awesome. And to add the pretty little leaf to it. So I'm just kind of holding it as I go. Then I'm going to add in some of my purple sage here. And it's shorter, so I'm going to place one here. And I'm going to have one like sitting up here. And then I'll just tie all of this together with the twine. Add in some cute flowers, some marigolds. These will kind of fall apart as they go, but they're pretty. And they're gonna die in the frost, so we'll give them some life. Okay, kind of pretty. So I'm gonna squish it together. Grab ourselves the twine and just tie a knot at the end. And I'm using garden safe, biodegradable, organic twine. Nothing with like oil or anything weird because you're going to light it. That would be better. Okay. Now, we're just going to twist it up. And we're going to try to make all the leaves, everything lay down. Anything that sticks out, we have to cut off. So try to lay our leaves flat. We'll just go slow, wrapping it as we go. Cut it because I'm going to fold this good part over here and wrap that around. I think that's good. Leave an extra bit so we can tie it in a knot up here. Maybe. Go. Okay. Just a simple knot will do. Tie it off and then we're going to cut the end. And again, we can reuse that. We can also make potpourri with all of the extra stuff that we have. Or if you have chickens like we do, you can make a really cool mix for their bedding, their nesting. boxes. So I'm just going to clip off all of the loose stuff that might hang out or like catch on fire. If we were to light these, honestly, I just love them sitting in my glass jars, looking all pretty, like an open glass jar. And I stand them up all together, and when people come over, they always say something about them, and then I give them away. It's kind of fun. So they make beautiful gifts, especially for someone who just bought a house or he broke up with a boyfriend. So, yay, so pretty. So simple. Now we're just gonna let this dry out and then it's ready. How cool is that? My collection is growing. I love it. I hope you enjoy making your own.